What's up? It's Chris from Stone Fox Media, and I hope everyone's having a blessed day. Now, I have a special review for you guys. Now, remember, I only review products that would actually want or buy in real life. Well, in case you guys have noticed, I actually have light in this room, and it's additional light compared to the light that just came with the house. If I turn this light off, then you will see with the regular light that's in this house what it actually really looks like. So, in fact, I'm going to show you guys right now if I turn off these lights right now. It's a whole lot different. It's not as bright. You really can't see as much. And I'm kind of being supported by the light that's coming in from the monitors, the 6 monitors that I have. So it's far difference between what you get with actual supported light and what you have by just getting the regular light in your house. It just does not work. Now I'm going to switch back to normal lights again. Much better. You can actually see what's going on. Yeah, that kind of works. But these lights have one flaw. They are hot. I'm talking easy bake oven hot. I have like 9, 10 lights around here and they are cooking my face. It's like the easy bake oven you used to watch people play with as a kids. And my sister used to have it and they used to make all kind of cakes and random stuff. Well, yeah, these things are 10 times bigger and they're 10 times brighter. And now it's time for an upgrade. Well, DVE Store has actually hooked me up with one of their latest and greatest products. This is actually the Diva Ring Light 2 Umbrella Kit. These are LED lights. That means that this hot environment that I'm in right now will no longer exist. It's so hot, you guys don't even know how hot it can get in a room. It can literally heat up a room like 100 degrees. You don't know, and it can do it in a matter of minutes. We're talking about heat-free LEDs with 10,000 hours of life. So yes, I'm going to be unboxing this to let you guys know how I feel about it. I do have box lights, but I'm actually going to switch to these umbrella lights to see how these do because they actually work better and quicker than the box lights that we actually already have here in Stone Fox Media. Now, starting with the unboxing, you're going to see that the Diva Ring 2 Light Umbrella Kit comes with everything that you need, nicely packaged. So in here, you're going to see that you actually have the soft carry case. Now this is going to have every single item that you need. It's going to have the 2 light stands, the 2 LED bulbs, and 2 shoot-through umbrellas. So the shoot-through umbrellas are really cool, and they're actually going to talk about those in a second. But the bag itself is actually really sharp. It's very light. It contains all the items, and you can use this if you're carrying it on a business trip, if you're going to use it for like weddings, if you're going to use this for shooting on the go in an open field. But the shoot-through umbrellas, now these things are really cool because they allow light to pass through, which means that they're very thin, so you can actually focus umbrella in one direction or the other. So yeah, they're not too big, but they expand to a pretty decent size. Now in here, you're going to have the actual LED bulbs themselves. They have just a little bit of weight to them, but not too much to where they're imposing. But on the opposite side of that, you're going to have the actual mounting kit that you're going to need to attach the LED bulbs to the light stands. So I'm going to get the final one out of here for the light stands. And then inside, you're going to actually see I have the light stands. They come very well compressed. Now they start out really small, but then they extend up to like 7 or 8 feet. They get pretty tall. So these are very good to have these on the go. So if you need to film something out there in an open field or something, you're going to have everything that you need to do that. So moving on from that, once you unpack everything, you'll see that you actually have the light stands are here. Now these are the expandable ones. You're going to have the 34-inch umbrella, and they're going to have the LED lights. And look at all these LEDs. These things are going to last over 10,000 hours. They are heat free, so they're going to be very reliable. Now these do put out about 5,500 K. So that's really good for the balanced bulbs, and they're going to have years of lifetime usage, and they won't go out like the other bulbs do. Placing together the Diva Ring 2 Light Umbrella Kit is so easy, it doesn't even require instructions. All you have to do is set up the whole entire base, which is extendable, and then you attach on the light stand mounts, and then once those are attached, and then you just screw in the LED bulb. Now they do come very well protected against you damaging the threads, so basically you just pop off the little caps and then you just screw them down. Now your typical ones, they won't have any thread protectors on them, so they come with some of them are smashed off. So that has happened to me before by having threads that don't fit, but this one actually goes on fairly easily because it is already designed for this particular unit. Now Now, as you can see here, I'm getting ready to extend the pole to a decent height that actually works for this area. And then I'm going to attach the shoot through umbrellas. So it just extends, and then it should be a little button on the side, which allows you to start rotating it. And then once you fit that one inside, the actual umbrellas will actually be attached onto the stand. So then look at this. I had no instructions at all, and I basically already just knew how to put it together. It required almost no effort at all, and it's pretty much set up in about a minute. So this is going to be really quick and easy to set up if you're out there on a go, or if you have to go to someone's like functions or graduations or weddings, and it's done. It's that easy. It's that easy. And turning it on is super easy. With the click of a button, you get some really bright light, and you can see how bright that is just by turning it on. So now I'll get everything set up, and now you'll see the end result. I am a very happy man. This room is not roasting my face anymore. It is very nicely lit. I still haven't gotten everything perfectly set up, but yes, this is definitely a replacement for what I was already using before. It is no longer cooking in here. It is heat free, and I am very happy. So yes, everybody, go to the DVE store and you can get your hands on this lighting kit. And they also have a box lighting kit, and they also sell ring lights as well. I mean, for everything from like makeup or actual tech review tutorial pieces that you can use. So go to their website. They have a wide variety of items, everything from box lights to ring lights, you name it. They pretty much have everything you need. This is a wonderful tech store. Go to a DVE store and they will have every single thing that you need. Link is in the description. Well, that's all the news I got for you guys right now. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, Twitter, and Facebook, so you know as soon as my news becomes available. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, and I'll holler at y'all later.